Here we have a 1967 Buick Riviera that just came into us. The car is quite solid. I love the turquoise color on this. You can see it's got a nice reflection there looking at the hood and everything. 67, you also get the nice the Hideaway headlights. Notice how they integrate right into the grille right here. And you look down the sides, you can see pretty straight overall. You know, not perfect by any means. You can tell it's an older repaint, but still holding up and shining quite nicely. You'll find there's a couple of chips and maybe a ding or something. You know, just what you'd expect from a car that's been driven and is ready to hit the highway again here. Dual exhaust on this one as well. It's got the factory Buick, what they call the road wheels, the rally wheels. Go. The interior, some of it has been redone at some point in its life. But again, you do still have all the luxury Buick items, including power windows, power seat, tilt wheel. Odometer reads 73,000 miles. It does have an aftermarket radio in it with iPod or auxiliary hookup as well. See, the seats are in nice shape. Get a look at the back one here as well. Headliner. Fire it up here quick. Car does run and idle nice as well. Go around it one more time here for you. Open the hood. This has the 430 V8 in it. Power steering, power brakes. This is a factory air-conditioned car as well, as you can see. It's got just a nice rumble to it. Sounds good, but nothing obnoxious. See all the still pictures of this car on our website that include the inside, the outside, and the underside of this car. You'll be able to see how solid it is as well. All the pictures are on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered and financing is available as well.